All right, this is break ID number 124, 2017 Gold Standard Football, one box break. Buy one, get one free. I've already assigned the spots, the free spots. So this list is alphabetical. And we'll randomize it 3 times, 3 on the left and 3 on the right, starting now. And there you go. I'll leave it up there for a minute. And here we go. There's a half case of this up for tomorrow. Derek Carr out of 49. That is Luke S.E. Robert Davis out of 79. Gary W.I. And C.J. Beathard. 17 of 75. Triple jersey auto to the 49ers. If I can find them. That's Cliff H.O. Eight of 49. Golden Rookies auto. Marshawn Lattimore. To the Saints. That is Luke S.E. And Paul Perkins jumbo patch. And the Giants are John K.E. And Joey Bosa out of 99. Chargers is Robert R.I. And Kareem Hunt to Kansas City. Peter W.H. All right, guys, thanks a lot. We'll get these up on the site tonight. And check out the half cases that are going up for tomorrow. Actually, one of them's already up there. And those are selling fairly well, so grab your spots.